Are you still using the previous version of Flux? Then let me tell you something honestly. You're not just missing out on an update, you're missing out on an evolution. In a world where technology is moving faster than ever, staying still is the same as moving backwards. And that is exactly why Flux 2.0 is not just a new version, it's a complete transformation of the way you work, create, and think. Today, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 reasons why switching to Flux 2.0 right now could be one of the smartest decisions you'll make this year. So stay with me till the end, because the final reason is the most important of them all. Let's begin. Reason number 1. Unmatched speed and performance. The first, and probably most noticeable improvement in Flux 2.0 is its speed. Everything in Flux 2.0 has been rebuilt on a more powerful, optimized engine. That means operations that once took seconds or even minutes are now happening almost instantly. If you're working on heavy projects, multitasking, or using advanced features, you'll immediately feel the difference. The system responds faster, processes run smoother, outputs are more efficient. No more waiting, no more lag, no more frustration, just smooth, seamless performance. In today's fast-paced world, speed is not a luxury, it's a necessity. And Flux 2.0 finally delivers it. Reason number 2. Smarter AI and intelligent automation. The second reason is where Flux 2.0 truly separates itself from the past. Flux 2.0 is smarter, much smarter. It uses advanced AI and improved learning logic to actually understand your workflow. The more you use it, the more personalized and accurate the performance becomes. Tasks that previously required manual input can now be handled automatically. Repetitive steps are reduced. Smart suggestions appear at exactly the right moment. It doesn't just follow commands anymore, it thinks with you. And that means you can focus more on creativity, strategy, and ideas, instead of wasting time on boring, routine actions. This is not just automation, this is intelligence working beside you. Reason number 3. A clean, intuitive, human-focused interface. Let's talk about the new interface. Flux 2.0 isn't just more powerful, it's more beautiful and easier to use. Everything has been redesigned with the user in mind. The layout is cleaner, the menus are simpler, the tools are easier to access, and the overall experience feels more natural, more fluid. You don't have to be a developer, you don't have to be an expert, you just understand it. You spend less time trying to figure out where things are, and more time actually creating, building, and innovating. This is the kind of design that respects your time and your mind, and that alone is a big reason to upgrade. Reason number 4. Better compatibility and stability. Now here's something many people ignore until it's too late. Compatibility. Flux 2.0 is built to work seamlessly with the latest operating systems, platforms, and integrations. It connects better with modern tools and removes a lot of the bugs and crashes that older versions suffered from. No more random errors, no more broken features, no more "this version is not supported." Flux 2.0 is stable, reliable, and ready to work when you are. And in a world where one crash can cost you hours of work, that reliability is priceless. Anyway, reason number 5. It future-proofs you. And now, the most important reason of all. Flux 2.0 doesn't just help you today, it prepares you for tomorrow. Technology never stands still. The tools of today will soon be replaced by the tools of tomorrow. But Flux 2.0 is built to grow with the future. It's designed for upcoming updates, new features, advanced technology, unseen innovations. When you upgrade to Flux 2.0, you're not just switching software, you're switching mindset. You're deciding to stay ahead instead of behind, to evolve instead of remain the same, to move forward while others hesitate. And that is the real power of Flux 2.0. So here's the truth. If you care about performance, if you care about efficiency, if you care about staying relevant in a fast-changing world, then Flux 2.0 is not optional anymore. It's essential. Make the switch. Step into the future and experience what real power feels like. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Are you ready to switch to Flux 2.0?